A long, long time ago, in the forests where the Pandavas lived during their exile, the great warrior Arjun had a dream to become the best archer in the world. He trained every day, but one morning, he decided, "From now on, I will wake up before the sun rises. I will be ready before the light touches the trees." While his brothers slept, Arjun quietly tiptoed into the forest. He practiced shooting arrows in the dark, listening only to the sound of the wind and the rustling leaves. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And every morning, Arjun was already standing tall with his bow, ready, when the first golden ray of light peeked through the trees. High in the sky, Surya, the sun god, watched him. He was pleased. "This boy," Surya said, "doesn't wait for the light. He brings his own." One morning, as Arjun finished his early training, a warm, golden glow surrounded him. A soft voice echoed, "O warrior, I am Surya, the Sunday. I rise each day to see your discipline." Arjun bowed humbly. "Why do you wake so early?" Surya asked. "To train harder than yesterday," Arjun replied, "and to be ready before the world even opens its eyes." Surya smiled. "Then let me give you a gift." A beam of sunlight sparkled, and in it appeared a shining golden bow. "This is the Tejdhanush," said Surya. "It holds the light of the morning sun. Use it only with a pure heart and for a noble cause." Arjun bowed to Surya Dev and accepted the Dhanush. One afternoon, while the Pandavas were traveling through a thick jungle, they were suddenly surrounded by wild beasts, huge, angry wolves driven mad by hunger. The animals crept closer and closer. There were too many to fight off with ordinary arrows. Yudhishthir whispered, "Arjun, we need your strength." Arjun stepped forward calmly. His eyes were steady. The sun peeked through the trees, and Arjun lifted the Tejdhanush. As he drew the golden bow, the sky itself glowed brighter, and an arrow made of pure light formed on the string. With a swift release, twang, the arrow soared like a sunbeam. It burst in the air with a dazzling flash, blinding the wild beasts without harming them. The forest lit up as if morning had returned, and the animals, confused and frightened by the brilliant light, fled deep into the trees. The Pandavas were safe. Bhima clapped Arjun on the back. That was no ordinary arrow. Arjun smiled quietly. It was the gift of waking early and of earning the sun's trust. Moral: waking up early builds discipline, strength, and focus. Those who rise before the sun often carry the light of wisdom, courage, and sometimes even divine blessings. The end.